This is a surefire way to cure you, Piglet. Why, all we gotta do is frighten them out. Why, deep down, all Hiccuplings are cowardly little scaredy cats.
But so am I. Oh, dear.
Boy, oh boy, this is gonna be great. Oh, what kind of stumpity-bumpity are you? Well, that couldn't even scare a piglet. You want to sound convincing? Try to put some more oohs in your oohs. Oh. Piglet's Hiccups won't know what hit him.
Yes. A jar of honey is the perfect friendly gift. It always makes me feel perfectly friendly. Oh, bother. Friendliness doesn't go as far as it used to. Empty again. Oof. Oh, bother.
You guys ready?
Oh, Owl, watch where you're stepping.
Oh, dreadfully sorry.
What was that?
It's the real stumpity-bumpity.
Oh, my! Run for your lives!
Yeah, it's after us!
Oh, dear. It's so quiet.